Hey there everybody, Steve from Steve M Outdoors, and today we got ourselves, an unboxing video. Cheap man's content. At any rate, the rules of the game are as the same as always. I pay for my own boxes, and I do pre-open the box, but I don't actually look inside of it. So the mystery and the magic of opening up a box can be shared across the high-quality video of YouTube. Just in case you're not familiar with RLM Elite, it stands for Random Lures of the Month, and it's offered by a Canadian company out in Alberta called Simple Fishing. It's a bi-monthly, so this is the June-July box, and it's about $56 Canadian if I remember correctly. I'll post some graphic up if that's incorrect, and they ship to both Canada and the United States. That's 56 Canadian, so it would be cheaper for our American friends, and on top of that there is $5 shipping, flat shipping across North America. And you're guaranteed 8 to 10 lures a month. So anyway, enough of the yapping, let's get into it. Ooh, I'm so excited. Alright, so got ourselves the standard what's in the box card, standard slam card, which is basically it allows you to track what fish you catch with your party that's out with you that day, and pounds and everything. Well, that's cool, and it's different fish. The slam card. Alright, let's start at the top. We've got Fanatik. Okay, they're kind of like ribbed for her pleasure. It's kind of like, well, it's like a ribbed swim bait with a paddle tail. Interesting. No smell. And Fanatik, I've seen these cats before, made in the Ukraine. Okay, that would explain the Cyrillic on there. Tested by Yuri Petrash. Not Yuri Petrash. Alright, cool. I've been getting more and more into these sorts of lures after ignoring them for years, so that's cool. Okay, I can work with that. So there you go. Fanatik Classic 4-inch ribbed swim baits with paddle tail. Cool. Alright, I can dig that. Let's see what's next. Oh, we'll go with the plastics again. Pro Series X Zone Lures. It's a 3 1/4 inch Finesse slammer, package of 10. Interesting. Well, this certainly is a finesse bait, no question about that, given how small these are. Put them on a nice white piece of paper. There you go. This one is gray with a white bottom, so this will be good for drop shot fishing. Yeah, super. I don't drop shot a lot, but I always appreciate the lures. Alright, super. Alright, I like it. So far, so good. Okay. Again, from Fanatik, we apparently have to import our hooks from the Ukraine. A pack of 3 offset hooks. Okay, well that'll go good with the swim baits. Super. Once again, tested by Yuri Petrash. I don't know who he is. I'm going to have to look him up. Maybe some kind of famous Ukrainian fisher. What else we got next here? Okay, well, we got it would appear to be a jig. Prediction correct? Well, it was. Oh, okay. Oh, it's a swivel hook jig. Well, that's cool. Okay. Not much of a jig guy. I've said that in previous videos, but I can dig it. And it's a greenish black. Interesting. What size is it? 1/2 ounce. So this is a 1/2 ounce jig. Cool. Alright, well, so far so good. The box has started off surprisingly strongly. What's this? Oh, it's a I guess it's like a buff. Camouflage pattern buff. From Stixs Stones. Oh, it's a buff, but you can wear it different ways. Masks, headbands, balaclavas, full yard, pirate. I think I'll pass. Cap. Oh, cool. I have like a pile of these already, so. But, hey, doesn't hurt to have more, right? What's this now? Oh. A swim bait. Or a buzz bait. Swing buzz. Buzz bait. Oh, I'm getting the feeling that, yes, it's jointed. Oh, cool. Changeable free swinging hook with trailer keeper. Custom blade for unique fish calling sound and a bubbling trail. Cancer and reproductive harm. Well, you want to avoid that if possible. Changeable hook, and it's 7/16 ounce. Okay, it's from Freedom. You know, I've noticed that not one of these so far has described themselves as tournament grade. Yeah. Oh, sorry. This one is Pro Series. I don't know if that's better or worse than tournament grade. Okay, super. Not a big buzzbait guy. I do throw them occasionally. Oh, cool. Alright, super. Still 3 more lures. What do we go for? The Flirty Frog. Irresistible for bass, catfish, and pike. Topwater lures. Okay, so it's like a frog. I guess it's like a popper on account of the mouth. With what? A single hook. Model Frog 9 Yellow. Well, it certainly lives up to the name. It's a frog and it's yellow. Handmade lure from Croatia. Cool. Well, they do know the way to my heart, and that's always topwater lures. Let's see what else we got here. Let's go with this. What is this? Oh, this is a little one. Let's see if I can remove this without pinning myself. Oh! It's chaos. It's chaos here at Steve M Outdoors headquarters. Okay, so it's kind of like a tiger stripe pattern. Single hook at the bottom. Well, I'm going to be honest with you, I'm not familiar with these lures at all. It's Canadian. Works great for all species of game fish, as it acts as a wounded bait fish designed for trolling or casting. Okay, interesting. I'm not sure that's something I would ever actually throw. Dominate the waters. And again, it's not tournament grade. I'm very disappointed. And it's a Perch Minnow pattern. Okay. Interesting. Oh, that landed on the floor. I'm sure I'll step on that later. Alright, and last but not least, we have a Lucky Bug. It's a 5 gram or 0.19 ounce. What is that, like a crankbait? Yeah, it's got a lip like a crankbait. It's pretty darn small though. Fusion Extreme Crankbait. Yeah, it is. Is a castable lure with amazing darting action that triggers reaction bite from all predatory fish. It's got exclusive Trimax technology. Goodness. Interesting. So you can troll it, cast it, or put it on a downrigger. Okay, you troll it at 1.5 to 4 knots, and apparently if you give it enough line, it goes from 2 to 100 feet. Jesus Christ. I don't think I'll be using this one. It's got an extra hook in there. Oh, okay. The Fusion Extreme Lucky Bug. Not a big crankbait guy, but that's cool. Alright, super. Well, that's it. That's the box. That's your June, July, and I guess I forgot to mention Bass Box, although you saw that on the title screen. Here's the prices, but they were all appeared while I was oohing and awing over them. Box cost $56, rough math. yeah, I got my money's worth. Well, super. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stick around for future videos. I got content coming up on guns, fishing, reloading, everything. So if you like this video, feel free to like it, subscribe to the channel, share it, do whatever you like. Have a great day. Tight lines.